Many INTJs personality types exhibit extreme and intense personas, which manifests into a facial expression known as the death stare. Like any personality trait, a look or stare could mean a myriad of things. So why the concern about an INTJ's death stare? Suffice to say that an INTJ's death stare is mysterious. If a dominating world exists where the strong prey upon the weak, an INTJ's death stare may be gearing up for what might be viewed as inevitable war. Predators may view quiet energy as weakness. However highly evolved, INTJs have learned how to become predators themselves based on their experience of being preyed upon. In many instances, the death stare is a warning. Do you want to know more about an INTJ's death stare? Read the new article, How INTJs Use Their Death Stare to Gain Leverage and Influence, by clicking the link below.